Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to slow down a video on your iPhone with not one but two different methods. Whether you want to slow down a video you recorded in slow motion mode or just a regular video, we've got you covered. So let's get started. The Photos app on your iPhone isn't just for storing and viewing your media. It can also be used to edit your videos. One of the editing features is the video speed adjustment, and we're going to show you how to use it to slow down your video. So let's open up the Photos app on your iPhone and click on the Albums button in the bottom menu. Tap on the slow-mo option in the media type and select the video you want to slow down. Click on the Edit button for the video and you'll see a row of white vertical bars beneath the video timeline. The closer the bars to each other, the faster the video plays. The further apart they are, the slower the video plays. To set when the slow motion effects starts and ends, drag the two tall white bars to the left or right. Tap Done to save the video. The next solution is iMovie. iMovie is a free video editor for the iPhone that lets you create movie trailers and edit videos with a wide range of features. One of those features is the video speed adjustment, and here's how you can use it to slow down your video. Open up iMovie on your iPhone and click on Create Project button here. Then select the Movie option. Click on the Media and then Video to find the selected video you want to slow down. Then click the check mark in the top of the menu and click Create Movie at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the video clip on the timeline to reveal the editing tools and click the Speed button, which looks like a clock. A yellow bar will appear at the bottom of the video. If you want to create a range within a video clip, you can drag either the yellow ranges handle or click the Add button to create another range. To slow the video clip, just drag the slider to the left in the inspector. While you move the slider, you'll see the relative speed number. For example, half times means half the normal speed. When you're done, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Two different ways to slow down your videos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, boop the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.